Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. After declaration of provisional result, the second step of MH AAC CET is going on, that is the addressal of the objections and grievance. CET cell on its official site has displayed the notice regarding the grievances and objections. So I am reading out the notification for you. Notice regarding grievances objections in MH AAC CET 2020. Number 1, display notice of grievance, which was on 1st December 2020. Submission of online grievance about practical or theory score, which is from 2nd of December to 3rd December 2020 up to 11:59 p.m. Number 3rd, verification of grievance by expert committee and IT team, which will be held on 4th of December 2020 from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And finally, declaration of grievance redressal report, which is scheduled on 4th of December 2020 after 4 p.m. Few things I want to clear here regarding the grievances and filling up this form. First thing, you need to remember that to apply or to fill this objection form or raise any kind of objection, you need to pay 1000 rupees to CET cell. So the charge is 1000 rupees. And what I'm going to talk now, it is very important and you need to listen it very carefully. If you are looking for increment in your marks, if you are thinking that your practical drawing exam was good, your drawing was good, but by some reason you have got very less marks, or due to the examiner's mistake you have got very less marks, and now you want to raise an objection and you want to get increment in your marks, then please do not apply, do not fill that form. If you have done it already, you have to consider that your 1000 rupee has been wasted. If you are thinking to do that, then this video can save your 1000 rupees. The important thing you need to notice that CET cell do not recheck the practical exam paper. Here you need to read the instruction number 2. Candidates will have to pay payment of ₹1000 plus applicable payment gateways charges for per objection raised. Candidates can raise objection related to totaling of marks only. That is the important thing. So if your total is wrong or if your total is having some error, then you can proceed and fill this form. In the notice, CET cell has written that the grievance is for practical or theory paper, but when you log in and see the tab, it is clearly mentioned that the grievance or objection is only for a general knowledge theory paper, online paper. So very interesting, important and funny thing starts here. When you don't have your question paper, when you don't have your theory paper or copy of that theory paper, how do you know which one your answer was wrongly checked? To raise any objection about your general knowledge paper or theory paper, you need to have the copy of that paper first, and then you need to understand the marking where they have given you the wrong marking, then only you can apply for the grievance. But without that, it is not at all possible. Without that, how would you know that for which right answer they have cut your mark? So the conclusion is, they are not gonna check, recheck or increase your marks for practical exams until unless it is the calculation mistake. They are asking on which question number you have got wrongly marking, and moreover they are asking you to provide them the reference book where you got this correct answer and how your answer is right. So this is all useless. This objection form is only useful if you have got wrong calculation or due to the computer mistake you have got incorrect total. Finally, I request to the CET cell to improve the system, at least try to improve the system accordingly and take the cognizance of these issues.